Hey traders, welcome to WeTradeWaves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you made money last week. Market was moving as expected for almost all the pairs. DXY, euro dollar, pound dollar, even gold went to the upside, and we've got all-time high. All of you are new to WeTradeWaves. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and keep watching till the end. Those of you are new, this is our YouTube channel. It's WeTradeWaves. As you can see here, this is our official channel. And if you scroll down, you will see all our videos here posted on a weekly basis every Saturday. So these are our weekly forex forecasts. I suggest, guys, all of you are new, to go back and watch some of our videos. You will really understand actually how forecast the moves and how the market actually was moving as expected almost 90% of the times. Okay. So if we start with if we go to the charts, as usual, I'll cover all the lists that you can see to the right side of the screen from DXY all the way down to US30. Okay. So this list will go with them wave by wave and pair by pair to cover them all. Last week for DXY, as usual, we were expecting market to push to the upside, right? So for this one, if I go to here, we said market push to the upside first before any next structure. So that's actually how the market was moving, exactly as expected. Our members were able to trade this up wave, by the way, or selling the majors. I'll give you an example shortly. And we're giving anyway pound dollar as trade of the week, and it was crazy. So for this one, if I just go to this here to the before, this is our last week's forecast, by the way. Thanks a lot, guys, for all of you are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. So this is 6 days ago, as you can see, 284 likes. Thanks very much. And of course, these are the comments. I'm reading them, by the way, guys, one by one, and really appreciate, guys, your support and your appreciation. So for this one, this is the XY last week. As you can see, we said market push to the upside because we were actually taking liquidity under these lows, right? So for this one, we've got this up wave, perfect, exactly as expected. So this is the before, and if you go back to see the charts at the moment, we've got this up wave, exactly as expected, to the point, to the pip. All right? Now, the question is, what's next? For the XY, as most of you know, we are biased to the downside, all right? So if I zoom out just a bit to show you the bigger picture for this one, let me go to this one here. Anytime the XY can start to fall. So for me, if you ask me personally, the XY is ready to fall. If we get the sell setup, we will go for it. Now, the next structure or the next option is if the XY wants to go to the upside more, anytime it can fall. Structure is ready, market is ready to drop. So even market can go downside from here like this, or if it decides to go up and break this top once more, no problem. The structure will not change. It will be just temporary move to the upside and the market will fall after. In all the cases, for the XY, we'll be looking for the sell setups, and the sells will be from the levels that I mentioned here or from above the stop. If you want to know more details about the trades of the week, the levels where you can take action, the price alerts as well, just to show you this one, by the way, guys. Once you join WW Pro, you will get access to our Discord community. This is our Discord community, of course. And now here we will send you the price alerts here. We'll send you trade setups as well. And you can as well get in touch with our members. By the way, our members were meeting actually in Oman. 3 of our members there. It was very nice. And these are all the channels that you'll get access to, of course, with a lot of other channels as well for this one. So if you go up and down, you will see all these channels that you will get access to as soon as you join WW Pro. Those of you who don't know what WW Pro is our membership. So this is our website, this is our official website, guys, and all of our official links, you can see them in the description under this video or on our website, okay? So those of you who are new, you can check this website here. You can scroll down to check the features, to check some of the testimonials as well. And of course, you can go to this page here to join, if you want to join, just to check the features of WW Pro. So this is the page here. You can check it. You can read as well all the FAQ section underneath if you'd like to. And if you have any more questions, you can send us an email at info@WeTradeWaves.com. All right. That's regarding actually the XY, the Discord, and how the market was moving last week. And again, it was really nice. Euro dollar for this one, market actually went as expected as well to the downside. So if I go here just to show you, last week we said market will be correcting to the downside before any next structure. Those of you again, just to show you a proof, I'll go back to this one here, and we said market will be correcting to the downside before any next structure. So this drop, we've got it here, this down wave, and now looks like market is ready to push to the upside. So for euro dollar, if you sold here, guys, you must have made money because this was not a small move, by the way, okay? So if you know how to trade this one, you can make a lot of money trading just one single move to the downside and one single wave. So if I zoom out now for this one, just to go again and show you the bigger picture and what to expect next, euro dollar, it's a buy. Anytime market can start to push to the upside, guys, all right? So this can push the upside from here, again, like that, exactly as expected last week. Nothing has changed. Market was just completing the pullback and the corrective structure, okay? If market decide to go downside once more to break this low, take liquidity, this will not change the structure. We are still biased to the upside, okay? So anytime we get a buy setup, we'll go for it. So even if market goes downside to break this low once more, we'll be looking for the buy setups, and this will be the trade. In all the cases, only buy setups. If market decide to go down once more again, to complete the bigger picture and to extend this drop, and most probably touch the parity, this will be a buy. So if your dollar will be going to 1, this is the parity, by the way, right? So 1 euro equal $1. If that will happen, do not miss the buy setup. Again, will this be one of our trades of the week or not? This will be covered in details by T during the Sunday session that will be conducted tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WW Pro members. Again, all the details are on our website. WW membership details will be in the description under this video and in the first comment as well if you want more info. All right. Pound dollar for this one. This was again perfect, exactly as expected. After this upwave, we said market will correct the downside. And by the way, from 1.25, exactly this level, let me just show you that because this is important. From 1.25, this was one of our trades of the week, shared last Sunday. So if you go to this one, let me just zoom in again here just to show you. And let me put this one for you so you can see it clearly. So if I go like that, and I just want to show you the exact level of 1.25, all right? Just for you, for those of you who are not able to see it, let me just put here for you just to show you the precision, guys, okay? This 1.25. So from here, we said, guys, this is trade of the week to the downside, and look actually the precision, and look how market was moving. From here to here, guys, is actually almost 120 pips, 100 pips, let's call it 100 pips. This can fall more, by the way, but again, our members, they should be actually in profits trading this drop to the downside. And again, if I need to show you the before, if I go here, we said market will be correcting to the downside last week before the next upwave. So if you traded this move, you must be in profits and you must have made money, okay? Now, those of you are asking, all right, Alan, what's next for pound dollar? Like, again, guys, this was a trade of the week for WW Pro members, shared during our last Sunday session. So for this one, this corrective structure, it can extend a bit more, of course. And then after that, if we get a buy setup here, we'll go for the buy, okay? So for pound dollar, it's a buy. 1.22, 1.21. This was, by the way, guys, the buy zone. Most of you should remember it again. We said to our members, and even here on YouTube more than once, this is the buy zone, guys, between this level and this level. And market went to the buy zone and start to push the upside. If you remember this one, guys, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment because we have actually mentioned this one more than once, even when the market was here and was here, that this, guys, the buy zone. If I go to the daily chart just to show you the potential structure, for pound dollar, this might be actually a running flat here just to show you because pound dollar is famous with expansions. And for weighted waves, for us, expansions are actually running flats and expanding flats. If this will turns out to be a running flat, market will push all the way up to break this top, and even this top. But remember, there is something, guys, happening fundamentally for the pound. So we might get one more fall again. And if this happens, we will not be interested in any sell setup. We will be only looking for the buy setups after the completion of the corrective structure. But again, this is something, again, it might be discussed in details tomorrow because we don't want to actually mention this here or just speak about it here because this will take time. But again, for pound dollar, market was correcting the downside. We've got this drop and now we will be ready to go to the upside if market completes the structure and we've got the buy setup. Of course, do not go like this one here blindly. It's not any support or resistance level. This is actually where we look for the complete structures. We have a lot of levels to look at. We have the complete structures. We have our strategies before we go and enter in the buy to trade this upwave. Make sense? So do not go blindly. This is just a corrective structure for another push up. This is what we can see for now. If market decide to go down and break this low once more, no problem. We look for the buy setups again and again. The structure will not change. A dollar will be falling and we will expect all the majors to go to the upside. Again, guys, this is a forecast. That's why you have to follow us on a weekly basis. And that's why we have the weekly Forex forecast because the structure can change and market actually can change the direction and can change the structure. That's why now the structure in the making and this is what we can see for now. And like I said, you must have made money trading this drop if you was with our Inside WW Pro to attend the daily live sessions and the Sunday live sessions as well. Gold for this one, last week we said market pushed the upside, right? And we've got the all-time high. It was perfect again, as most of you know, if I go back to the before. So again, as you can see, guys, DXY, euro dollar, pound dollar, all of them went as expected till now, right? Gold for this one, we said a pullback and then up again. Pullback, we're expecting market to go under this low before the next upwave. So if we go back to gold, this break of this all-time high was expected anyway, all right? So if I go here, you can see that market broke this top. After what? After a pullback that actually, this guy is the market makers framework, by the way, all right? So we've got this pullback to take liquidity under this low here before the next upwave. If I zoom in just to show you the structure in detail, so you know what I'm talking about, and you probably will learn something new from this, okay? So before they push market to the upside to break the top, they made this trap here. Okay, what is this trap? This market makers framework to make sure all the people who were following the trend to the upside here. So look at this, up as example, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up. This is a typical uptrend, basic uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, guys. Okay, this is very simple and very basic. Now, before they push market up to break the all-time high, they decided to make this move here, which is liquidity grab. We know all of this. We know all the story. This is actually textbook pattern for weighted waivers. That's why, guys, you have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk any more money in the market. Do not waste another month. You know, like February will be starting. So do not waste one more month. Invest in yourself, learn how to trade correctly, and then you risk your money. Because if you go other way, try to following someone blindly and try just to gamble the next wave, you will stay where you are. So try to level up. Go with us actually just to see how we do the stuff. You can join for 1 month, guys. Try us. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. There's no lock-in period. But the resources that you will get access to, the learning resources, actually, I would say the course, the masterclass course, the Discord community, all the tools that you'll get access to, that's all you need to become independent, successful trader in few months, all right? So for that, again, the details is on our website regarding WW Pro. So we've got this drop and we've got this upwave. I really hope, guys, all of you who trade gold, they get in the buy and they made money actually, they made money trading this upwave because, again, it was really clear structure to us, by the way, okay? So we've got this break. Now, all of you will be asking, all right, Alan, this is perfect. What's next? For gold, guys, we will be expecting market to fall. Now, some of you might be saying, Alan, how you expect DXY to fall and gold to fall? We have seen that, guys, more than once, where DXY and gold were moving in the same direction, to the upside together or to the downside together, right? So again, DXY were expecting market to fall and gold were expecting market to fall. Yes, sometimes, I would say most of the times, they move against each other's, but we have seen a lot of the times as well that market will be moving in the same direction for DXY and gold, and that's what we are expecting. So for gold, again, the direction or the bias is toward the downside. If we get a set setup, you go for it. And this drop, it should take you all the way down, most probably to 2,700, and then we'll update you later what's next. So for this one, if you ask me personally, I'm expecting a wave minimum similar to this one first, before any next structure, okay? Again, more details, will this be one of our trades of the week or not? This will be explained in detail by T during the Sunday session that will be conducted tomorrow at 12 p.m. for WW Pro members. And those of you who don't know what the Sunday sessions actually are or what we cover in them, I have showed you the pictures before, and then I'll show you the picture now as well so you can see what we cover during the Sunday sessions, okay? So for that, I hope this is clear. Aussie dollar for this one, again, market gave us this pullback or this corrective structure, and it's the same thing. This might be just a pullback, or market might give us one more drop here, just to show you here. One more drop just to break this low, and then it push back up. This is the structure that we are waiting for, that we are looking for. And even if this will go down to break this low once more here, you look for the buy setups. Nothing will change. This is what we can see for Aussie dollar, guys, and this is what you should look for as well. Buy setups. Why I'm saying this one, guys, is because of the structure and because of the fundamentals as well. So those of you are asking, Alan, what do you see regarding the structure here? This might be an expanding triangle, by the way, here, just to show you. For those of you who don't know, this might be an expanding triangle for one more drop before the next upwave. And this is actually A, B, C, D, E, and then one more fold to complete this structure here before the next upwave, all right? So expanding triangle, this is the form of it, and this is actually how it look like. Make sense, guys? So one more fold is expected, or one more fold is very possible before the next upwave. In all the cases, you just look for the buy setups and manage your trades. New Zealand dollar for this one is exactly the same. Market might actually give us here the corrective structure again. Like I said to you, it's the same structure as Aussie dollar. Again, look at this one. We have this up, drop to break the low, up to break the top, drop to break the low once more, up to break the top. So expanding triangle, guys, is a corrective structure. It's 5 ways corrective structure where you can see this is the form of it. Expansion, expanding, right? Nothing actually complex regarding that. You just need to understand the structure, market makers framework, and how to trade the next wave, because that's the main point, all right? Trading the next wave and make money trading the next wave. By the way, it's not only about making money, it's about maximizing profits. All right, guys? That's actually what we teach inside the Masterclass course. So if you go to this one again, just to show you, look at this one. This actually will get access to the latest masterclass trading course where we can teach you all our strategies. We have 4 strategies, and of course, the monthly Q&A sessions archive, you can see it inside the dashboard. So more than, I would say 20 Q&A sessions or 15 you will get access to. This actually the recording archive with a lot of important sessions actually that we're doing before. It's recorded long-term session and all the strategies and psychology sessions as well. Again, that's something, guys, once you get in, you will see it. So for this one, it's exactly the same as Aussie dollar. If we get this drop, we will look for the buy setups, or if market will go down to break this low once more, another push-up will be coming. In all the cases, buy to this wave or buy to this wave. Okay? Dollar yen for this one, I will leave it for now. Market is just correcting. I will leave it at the moment. I will not get in any setup until or unless market will give me one push up or a corrective structure for one more drop. I can see dollar yen, guys, giving me this drop after the up wave. Which wave to trade is up to you. For me, I'll be going to the buy setups once market will complete the corrective structure. The structure is in the making at the moment. No setups for now. The market is exactly in the middle and the structure is in the making at the moment. All right. Dollar Swiss for this one, market actually is correcting for one push up. What I can see for this is a corrective structure here. One more push up, one more drop before the next up wave. Again, here we'll wait for this, let the market complete the structure before the next wave. So you can leave it. You can actually focus on other pairs. And if you want to trade the short-term moves, wait for a corrective structure to go for one more push up before any next move. All right. Dollar CAD for this one, I hope all of you guys are reading the news actually and what's happening, what tariffs actually they are putting to on the CAD, on Canada. So again, all these fundamental events and fundamental news, starting from the Forex factory to all the economic indicators and macroeconomic factors as well, all of this will be covered in detail at the start of the Sunday sessions. So as you can see here, or if you don't know, US actually have put tariffs on Canada, which is 25%. And for that, we might see a gap here to the upside, by the way, for CAD, okay? Again, that's why it's very important to combine, guys, fundamental analysis with technical analysis. So for this one, market went to the upside. Technically, we will be waiting for market to give us a corrective structure. But fundamentally, CAD, if it will be weaker, we will see a gap to the upside for dollar CAD, okay? So if this will gap to the upside, we'll follow the structure after. So that's why for this one now, no action. We'll wait for market to open, and then after that, you can take action. If market will open exactly where it is, you wait for a corrective structure to go for the buy setups for now. US oil for this one, market actually is, let me just go to the 4 hours again for this, just to show you the structure again in detail. We've got this drop. This was actually expected, forecasted. You can go back to our previous forecast as well and see it by yourself. I don't want to actually keep going for before and after. Everything was expected here and everything was forecasted as expected. So for this one, we said market will be falling. Most of you should remember this one, guys. And if you remember this forecast again, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. I really hope, guys, most of you were able to make money trading the next wave because market was moving as expected for, again, almost all the pairs. And like I said, pound dollar was one of our trades of the week. You might have missed it if you are not inside WW Pro. The next one was Euro Yen, and Euro Yen will be going to the profits very soon as well. And more trades will be shared tomorrow for all the WW Pro members. So yes, all for this one, we've got this drop. It was expected exactly as how we want. What's next? A pullback or a corrective structure upwards is what we'll expect next for US oil. So for this one, wait for market action to give you this up wave before any next structure. Of course, market might be affected as well because of the CAD, but for now, let's wait for this one before the next drop. Again, guys, the levels, the trades will be covered by T during the Sunday session tomorrow. In terms of the structure, structurally speaking, for US oil, a corrective structure upwards is expected before any next move. All right. Bitcoin, this was again, market is correcting here. And after the completion of this corrective structure, I'm expecting Bitcoin to push to the upside. This might be the complete structure, guys, or part of it, which means here we can get one more drop, just to show you. One more drop before the next up wave. Most of our WW Pro members, they should remember 100 level mentioned by T during the Sunday session. So last Sunday session, we said to our members, guys, market was here, by the way. We said from 100 level, market will touch 100 and then it push back up. So this was another trade given to our members. And of course, we covered the cryptos, we covered the indices, the stocks, and your requests inside the live session that will be conducted tomorrow. So for this one, this was again a level given for them, which is 100K. Wait for market to tap 100K and then go back up. That's actually something that you might be missing if you're not joining, guys. All right. So after that, market went to the upside, and now we are completing this corrective structure. We are extending this corrective structure. Under this low, you go for the buy setups again. Market is in the making and the structure in the making. Again, guys, you are missing a lot actually by not joining, because a lot of trades, they are covered during the Sunday sessions, the Wednesday update, and during the day live sessions conducted by our seniors. So that's why I'm saying, like, if you can get access to this one, it will be ideal for you to jump to the next level. So for this, again, my bias for Bitcoin is toward the upside. Let the market complete the corrective structure and up again. That's actually what's going on for the crypto market or for Bitcoin. I am bullish. Let the market actually push the upside, and then we'll see after what we'll get. US30 for this one, market actually pushed the upside, as most of you know. And remember, we said after Trump gets in the office, we're expecting, or will expect actually, the stock market to push the upside. And as you can see, US30 actually went to the upside, and especially US30, we said this is just a pullback for another upwave. That's exactly what market is doing, and I really hope, guys, most of you who trade US30 made money trading this upwave. What's next? Corrective structure here. Want to push up. This is what we can see next for US30. A corrective structure is needed. Like I said, if you go to gold, you will see the exact similar pattern. They might repeat the same thing here under this low and then up again, just to make sure everybody is out. All the people who are trading with the trend to the upside, they'll be out here under this low, and after that, market will push to the upside. Guys, with that note, I hope you were able to make money trading the last week's trading, and I really hope you will have a great trading week. You trade with care. All of you are new to EURUSD, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move. And all of you guys who are subscribing to WW Pro, T will see all of you tomorrow on Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time for the Sunday session. Thank you very much. I speak to all of you next Saturday.